how to change Battle.net region or country. So the first thing you'll need to do is head to Battle.net website and then click on the support button on the top right. Now in this search box, you want to type change country, and then you want to click on change Battle.net account country / region change and press the enter to search. And now scroll down and click on the option to change account, country, or region. Now under this box, you will find a hypertext link, which is this one, country change self-service. Click on it. It should open up a new page. Now you want to click on continue, and it will ask you to sign into your account. And once you're signed in, you will see this identity verification window, which you'll need to complete by entering the requested information. And then it should take you to this page where you will need to provide the following information. And then you will need to have a picture or scanned copy of an utility bill or any bill that has your name and your new address and country in it. And you can use it as proof of residency, but you can simply drag and drop here or click on this and then navigate to the picture and upload it. And then in the description, you will need to type something like, I have moved to and the new country. And then you can simply click on the submit button right here after attaching the proof of residency. And within a couple of working days, they should get back to you and let you know when they have changed your country. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.